So we can see here Filecoin is breaking out. It's doing like 40% for the day. You can see key resistance here and something's going to blow up. But I still expect some pullback. But it's doing really well. But let's have a look why. I'm going to close this because last time it was making this is a little Chromebook and it's making it not work as efficient as possible. But we got here, so Filecoin. What is Filecoin? So Filecoin at its core is a decentralized protocol that allows users to rent out space, storage, on their computers. Naturally, people can also buy available storage listed on the network. Filecoin's worldwide network is free to join, open the door for vast data storage to become available. Potential for this level of storage in Web3 age could be revolutionary as more systems become computerized and data rich. What does Filecoin do? So we've got here Filecoin's main competitors: Figment Networks, Flipside Crypto, Northern Data Network, who's backing Filecoin. We've got 33 investors, including Leon Hillman and Lombard Street Ventures. How much funding has Filecoin raised to date? Around $258.2 million. Companies using Filecoin are Shoara Project, Starling Labs, archival data storage client example, Internet Archive archival data storage client example, and OpenSea, which is a big NFT client example. And what makes Filecoin different? Filecoin combines many elements of other file storage and distribution systems. What makes Filecoin unique is that it runs on an open peer-to-peer network while still providing economic incentives and proofs to ensure files are being stored correctly. So what is special about Filecoin secures its blockchain using proof of file replication and proof of storage over time. It doesn't rely on energy intensive proof of work schemes that other blockchain miners are incentivized to amass hard drives and put them to use by storing files. So what problem is Filecoin solving? Filecoin is the blockchain project that incentivizes regular people to rent out their digital storage space, solving the issue of scarcity and addressing power imbalance between individuals and global server behemoths in one fell swoop. So let's look at Filecoin's website, and on their blog we can see a lot of hypers happening this month. The Filecoin virtual machines EVM runtime is coming in February 2023, and it'll be one of the most groundbreaking updates to the Filecoin network ever. For the first time, developers will be able to deploy user-defined smart contracts on top of Filecoin blockchain and storage network with the ability to write them in Solidity and deploy them using the many EVM compatible developer tools that Web3 builders know and love. Programmability, or the ability to deploy custom smart contracts, is being launched in phases to Filecoin mainnet, with the groundwork of FVM milestone 1 launch. Now they're looking at milestone 2, which is this new EVM system. So, and what will Filecoin need to do in order to get others on board? So let's have a look. What are some primary use cases of Filecoin? Filecoin is a protocol that provides core primitives enabling a truly trustless decentralized storage network. These primitives and features include publicly verifying cryptographic storage proofs, crypto economic mechanisms, and a public blockchain. Filecoin provides these primitives to solve the really hard problem of creating a trusted decentralized storage network. On top of the core Filecoin protocol, there are a number of layer 2 solutions that enable a broad array of use cases and applications, many of which also use IPFS. These solutions include Powergate, Textile Hub, and more. So how can a website app be free if it is going to be on the Filecoin network? Most website apps make money by displaying ads. This type of income model could be replaced with Filecoin's incentivized retrieval setup, where users pay small amounts of file for whatever files they're hoping to download. Several large data sets are hosted through Amazon's pay per download bucket, which Filecoin retrieval could also easily augment or replace. Now, how will Filecoin attract developers to use Filecoin for storage? It's going to require a major shift in how we think about internet. At the same time, it is a very exciting shift, and things are slowly heading that way. Browser vendors like Brave, Opera, and Firefox are investing into decentralized infrastructure. We think that internet must return to its decentralized roots to be resilient, robust, and efficient enough for the challenges of the next several decades. Early developers in the Filecoin ecosystem are those who believe in that same vision and potential for the internet, and we are excited to work with them to build this space. So Let's have a look at what's been happening. So we know Filecoin is still 96% down from its all-time high 2 years ago when it was really doing well in the other bull run. 65% in the last 30 days, 40% in the last 14 days, 60% up in the last 7 days, 40% last 24 hours, about 5% in the last hour. So, and right now the market cap is 27th in the league of cryptocurrencies, just around 3 billion. And we can see, you can investigate for looking at price predictions. Say it even just doubles or 2x, bring the market cap. You can look at where the market cap was before. Let's have a look. So if we look here, when it was up here compared to where it's now, so it still hasn't lost too much market cap. You have to think, how valuable is this project? So say done a 10x, can it become a 30 billion market cap? Remember, other cryptocurrencies, if it became 30 billion, it will be sitting, I believe, where current, and bear in mind the rest of them and the altcoins would have rose as well, but 30 billion around here, isn't it? It'll be sitting on top of XRP. So imagine if it gets all those use cases that it needs. And some could look at the price, but most would prefer to look at market cap to be more realistic. But make sure you press subscribe, press like, share, and then check out my yesterday video. And then I'll be back. And you can also join my Telegram group and join my other groups. I've got a few products available, so click the link in the description.